Want to keep your energy bill down? Try looking up. Yep, your ceiling fan. The U.S. Department of Energy says using a ceiling fan with your air conditioner running lets you raise your thermostat 4 degrees without any change in comfort. That more than offsets the mere penny or so per hour it costs to run your fan. So sure, you can use a fan to keep you cool. But what about when it's cold outside? Once again, look up. On your ceiling fan, you'll find a button or pull chain. Use whichever you have to reverse the direction of your spin to push warmer air downward. Now, set the fan to its slowest rotation, and you're pushing your heating costs down too. Sometimes saving money is a breeze. For more simple tips like this, check out the rest of our videos at bpu.com.